Wow. It's so pretty. Look at the line.
Seriously?
Oh my god. It's so bright. Look at the pink and green. They're both orange.
Wow, so cool.
I know, right?
You definitely should not have missed this. Right?
Yeah, you should.
Whoa.
Bro, that was so light. Why does it look like Chinese New Year? Not gonna lie. That is so pretty. Look at that. Here's a closer look. Oh my god, that's so. That was big. That's really big. If you see that. Oh, there's 4.
Oh, stop. Whoa.
Oh my god, the noises are so satisfying.
I know.
Oh my god.
That's a glittery one.
There's 2 of them. This one's still here.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
Post it.
Dang.
Post it.
Not yet. Oh my gosh. Okay. We're gonna post it when the video's.
Wow.
Oh my god. Looks like sprinkles in the air.
I know. Red, blue.
Why does it look like sprinkles when I shake the phone? Ah!
Wow, that one sounds amazing.
Ooh, it's fuzzy. It looks like Puffball from BFDI.
I know. It does look like puffballs. Those look like flowers that are falling down.
It does. It looks like that random flower emoji. That goofy flower emoji. Wow. I really like it. Oh my god, the wave's about to end. Whoa! I just can't. It's so beautiful. Wow. Yeah. So that's all we found. We got some fireworks for July 4th. So bye.